Hello everybody. This is Claudia Lopez, a student at the University of El Salvador, and today it is my pleasure to share with you an interesting activity which is about how to use an online application, and I'm going to provide you a video tutorial about an online application. This activity belongs to a great subject that is called alternative assessment for English language teaching. Okay, so as we may know, it is important to align appropriate expectation and assessment to guide learners to achieve the intended learning outcome. Nowadays, we know that in this new era, technological era, um, we need to know how to handle it. We need to know how to use online applications because they are useful and I think that they are practical as well. And remember that the use of technological or the use of technology, the use of modern device are techniques that acquire in the teaching learning process. Okay, and a clear example of that is the new modality of teaching learning, which is online. Imagine in an online modality, the students can be in front of the class, and also the teachers can be in front of the class. Imagine if the teacher wants to develop an activity where each student has to do a presentation and an exhibition or or giving a speech, and that's why it is important the use of online application because right now I'm recovering myself through an online app called Screencast-O-Matic. Well, its name has changed. In the past, it was called Screencast-O-Matic. Right now, it's called ScreenPod. Okay, and this application, I completely can record myself while I'm presenting something. Okay, that is the same like if I could be in front of the class, okay, giving a speech, giving an explanation, giving an exhibition, and at the same time presenting some slides in the whiteboard. Okay. Um, some time ago, I remember that some time ago when I was teenager, when I was studying at high school, and I had to do presentations, when I had to do exhibition in front of the class, I had to prepare a presentation, and I used PowerPoint because I remember that the bunch of online applications that nowadays exist, they didn't exist before, okay? So that's why it is important to take advantage of this, to take advantage of the technology, take advantage of this new era, because we can avoid it, we can stop it. This is continued. Well, in this case, there are a lot of applications. It exists Genially, Nearpod, Google, Padlet, Mentimeter, but I choose one that, from my point of view, is so easy to use. It is it is for free. It is easy to create that user, and okay, let me see. I'm going to show you. That is so easy. But that's why it is important that every um every teacher, whatever the name that you want to say, um make an effort to provide the guideline, to provide the, okay, to provide the guideline um, to their students how to use a tool. For example, if I want that my students develop an activity where they have to record themselves and at the same time presenting something. So it is my job as tutor to create a video tutorial because we know to remember, we know to take into consideration that every student learn in a different way, okay? So in this case, since I have an user, it appears there, here. This is my user. In case you don't have user, you have to choose sign in and you have to add your email address. Okay? It's easy. Okay, I'm going to show you how to create presentations like a PowerPoint presentations. So, but in this case, I think that these are more creative presentations than PowerPoint. Okay, imagine that these are the templates. I'm going to choose this. Okay, this is for free because if this template says pro over there, that means that is not for free. And okay, this is my first page. You can click on it in order to change the letter, okay? Imagine I'm going to alternative assessment. Okay, you can manipulate, okay? You can manipulate to, yeah, to put an order here. You can make the letter small, okay? You can change the color. You have to highlight and change the color, okay? I put in Spanish, okay. Then you can add more pages. I'm going to add this. Imagine that you want to add an image. I'm going to go there, photos, images. These are predetermined images, okay? But in case that I want to add an outside image, I want to upload the file, okay? And that means that this image is going to be taken from my computer, okay? This is another option. Then I'm going to choose another image and I would like to change the design of the letter. Imagine here. I'm going to put love, okay? It's changing from the language, but you can desire, you can choose if you want to use Spanish or English. Let me see what else. Oh, about animation. Okay, you can add this, or this, and also you can add the timing, okay, between each page, and okay, you can, and also another interesting option here, if you can present at the same time you are recording, okay? Imagine if I do this presentation and I have to recording myself like right now, and I want to recording myself and presenting this presentation. Okay, I can do this inside the app. But now, right now, I'm going to present to you how the presentation looks. Yeah, click. Okay. Well, when you have done your presentation, if you want to share, you can easily just copy the link, okay, and save the link, and you can share the link with whatever you want, or you can add the people you want to see it, okay. No, this space is, if you imagine, if you want to share with a group of people and they can edit, okay. Imagine in activity in groups, okay, you can edit in groups this presentation, or you can download. When you download your presentation, the presentation instantly is saved, is saving in your documents in your computer, okay. So as I mentioned before, it is so easy, and well, in conclusion, nowadays in this technological era, it is so important to take advantage of all the resources we have to increase our knowledge, and it is important to take into consideration to do video tutorials to our students in order to providing a better explanation, okay. So that was the all information that I wanted to share with you. I think that it is important information, and I think and I hope that you have understood my explanation. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.